Hi friends, I'm a psychologist, and today we're going to talk about how to overcome routine and set yourself on a positive wave in your relationship. Routine can be our enemy, but today I'm going to share with you a few psychological strategies that will help you bring freshness and positivity to your relationship. Let's start by understanding what routine is and how it can affect our relationships. Routines are repetitive activities or situations that form over time and can become predictable and boring. This can lead to a decline in interest and passion in a relationship, which in turn reduces the satisfaction of the partnership. Routine can lead to a lack of novelty and stimulation, which can be the cause of monotony and emotional cooling in the relationship. However, not all is lost. There are several ways to overcome routine and re-energize your relationship on a positive wavelength. Tip number 1 is to diversify your routine. Plan and incorporate new activities and adventures into your routine. Try new restaurants, play new sports together, take walks in new places. This will help you create new experiences and diversify your routine. Tip number 2, make time for each other. Create a special time for the two of you and make it a priority. Forget about all the day-to-day problems and devote your time and attention completely to each other. This will help you get on a positive wavelength and strengthen your bond. Tip number 3, improve your communication. Open up to each other, share your thoughts, feelings, and dreams. This will help you strengthen your bond and allow you to understand each other better. Talk about your expectations and needs to create a more understanding and supportive atmosphere. In conclusion, overcoming routine and setting yourself on a positive wave is an ongoing process that requires your participation and input. However, it is worth the effort as it can lead to a deep and happy connection with your partner. Try to apply these tips in your daily life, and you will see your routine become more interesting and inspiring. Thank you for watching this video on how to overcome routine and set yourself on a positive wave in your relationship. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave your comments. We always welcome your participation. We wish you lots of positive moments and joy in your couple. See you soon on the Power of Confidence.